Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Mycrodex, where Fungimon are Pokemon. We are going to be looking at a few different Hericium erinaceus blocks today. We made these on a previous episode on the channel. If you go backwards a little bit, you can see we made 10 blocks, and we are going to be viewing the results of those. Each one of these blocks is similar but different in its own ways. You'll see the fruiting bodies are popping up in different pockets within these different blocks, and it's really cool to see how they progressed after we created them. They're pretty much in the fruiting stage, and we are opening up these bags so that we can put them inside the tent to let them flourish even bigger, because they will not do so as well while being contained in the blocks. And you can see, like this one, it's trying to escape through our breathing hole, and we don't want that, so we're going to mess that up, make sure the mycelium can establish on the edges, and then we're just going to throw that into the fruiting tent where it is very humid. Now I'm going to go silent and let you guys watch all these different blocks, and later in the video stick around because I'm going to take you into the tent to look at the few different species that we have in there. We're constantly changing out the species that are put into the tent, but yeah, we're in a transitional period right now where we are mostly doing grain spawn and turning them into blocks, and then probably in a couple weeks we'll be adding a ton of different species into the tent, and we'll be changing their growing mediums, how we sterilize or pasteurize those growing mediums. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy.